Another constraint we're going to put on the next value is we're going to say, okay, for price, right? For price, it's going to be a decimal, i.e. it's just, $15.85 or whatever, right? But with that, we're going to put in a price check on it, right? So is this price has to be greater than or equal to $0. Okay. In other words, we can't have any negative prices on products, right? Products always have a cost. At the very least, they have zero costs assigned to it, right? Like maybe you throw in some stickers for free or something like that, but there it's always at least a zero price. It's negative, never negative. Okay. And then the last constraint that we're going to put in is on SKU. That's an nvar 50. Is we're going to say that this has to be unique. Okay. This is going to be basically our business key that's going to be on this table. In other words, this business key, there's never going to be multiple, you're never going to see a 00A1 multiple times in this table. There's only ever going to be a 00A1 a singular time, or it's going to be unique in the tables. Okay. So in order to create this, all I have to do is hit execute. Command completed successfully. If I right click on my table and hit refresh like I did before, I can go down and I could see, oh, hey, look at that. There's the product table that I've created. Pretty simple, pretty cool, huh? All right, so I've put these in. Let's go back to Fabric and let's create another table there, okay? We're going to be talking about foreign keys and relationships, all right? So the next table we're going to create, we're going to talk about the order header table, okay? So this order header table is going to be like the header for our order, right? Like, and there could be lots of sub details that go along with that, like a lot of order items that go on it. But for that general order, it's going to be comprised of an order ID, right? So there's a unique order ID. So like you could track the orders that go out, a customer ID that is an integer. Notice it's not the primary key, right? Like one customer